C-DAC Center for Development of Advanced Computing recruitment for the post of project engineer. The salary is around 40,000 per month. It's a job vacancy 2022. It's a job for freshers as well. Before we get into this notification, I request you all to have a look into the latest job update playlist so that you will be having an edge of what are the recent notifications out there. So some of the recent notifications within the span of 1 week: RCFL, IDRBT vacancies for the junior research fellow, Realtel Recruitment, IIT Ropar, Airport Services Limited, NBCC Recruitment, Institute of Mathematical Sciences, BEML, Bharat Earth Movers Limited for management trainee. So these are all the notifications out within the span of 1 week. So the link for that will be given in the eye icon or at the end screen. So you will be having an edge of the recent notifications. Please do look into it. Let's get into this notification. This is the official site of C-DAC. C-DAC Chennai recruitment for the post of project engineers on contract basis. So this is the advertisement number. The official link will be given in the description. This is dated on 15/3/2022. So C-DAC is a Center for Development of Advanced Computing. It is a scientific society for the Ministry of Electronics and Information and for the Government of India. So C-DAC is looking for the bright and young result-oriented persons for the short-term projects for the post of project engineer. So C-DAC's area of expertise in the range of R&D in some of the areas like high performance computing and grid cloud computing, multilingual computing, professional electronics, VLSI, software technology, cyber security and cyber forensics, health information education training. So this is what the C-DAC do. Now the recruitment post for the project engineers. The number of vacancies for the project engineers are unreserved 5 vacancy, OBC 2 vacancy, SC 1 vacancy. So for the post of project engineer, the maximum age criteria is 34 years, below 34 years as of 28th March 2022. The qualification required is first class, 60% or equivalent CGPA, BE BTech or equivalent degree, and or first class postgraduate degree, and MTech or ME equivalent or PhD in the relevant discipline is required. The number of vacancies are 4 for the project engineer for BSc developer. This is the number of vacancies, 4 vacancies. The qualification required is first class BTech or first class postgraduate, ME MTech or PhD relevant discipline. Work experience is 0 to 4 years. So BTech candidates can also apply for this vacancy. So initially the place of posting will be in Chennai. However, the selected candidates may be transferred at any other office depending upon the project vacancies. So it's a BSc developer, project engineer, number of vacancies 4. The required skill set is that you need to have some basic programming skills of C, C++, Python, Shell, Java, PHP, and also some knowledge on Unix, Linux, OS, and fundamentals of C as well. So basic knowledge on cryptographic algorithms and their implementation, and exposure to formal methods like formal verification of software or hardware systems, good debugging and problem solving and analytical skills. So these are all the skills required in order to apply for this project engineer, and good communication skills in English as well as Hindi. So the job description is that development of the application based open source and customization in BOSS Linux variant. So consolidated salary is around 40,000 per month. So the minimum age criteria, that is maximum age criteria, is 34 years as of the last date prescribed. So you can just click on here and apply online for this vacancy, C-DAC. So for the post of project engineer, this is BSc support. This project is BSc support. The qualification required, there are 4 vacancies. The qualification required is first class BTech or first class postgraduate degree in computer science or relevant disciplines, ME MTech or equivalent, or PhD, and the work experience is 0 to 4 years. And the place of posting, the vacancies are 1 in Mumbai, 1 in Delhi, 1 in Bhopal, or 1 anywhere in India. So however, selected candidates may be transferred to any of the other projects in India or abroad. So the skill set required is basic knowledge of programming, C, C++, Python, Linux OS. You need to have an exposure of formal methods of formal verification software or hardware things, and good debugging and problem solving and analytical skills are required. So the job description is that BOS Linux troubleshooting and support, because it is BSc support. This is what you need to give support to the client location. 40,000 per month is the pay scale, and maximum age criteria is 34 years as of the last date. So the candidates are advised to fill in the online application by clicking the link given in the description. So the important dates are, last date to apply is 28th March 2022. So written test or interview will be communicated through email. The mode of selection is that applicants meeting the eligibility criteria will be informed by email to appear for the written test or skill test or interview. So selection will be based on multi-level interview to be conducted at C-DAC Chennai through video conferencing in person. So management serves the right to change or modify or selection the procedure at any time. The qualification and experience prescribed are the minimum requirements, and possession of the same does not automatically make the candidate entitled for. So this is the mode of selection will be either written test or a skill test or interview, and the qualification required and experience depends upon the time of interview as well. So the link for this to apply will be given in the description. Please to check it out. The last date is 28th March 2022. So this is regarding the CDAC recruitment for the post of project engineer. If you are first to my channel, I request you all to have a look into the latest job update playlist so that you will be having an edge of the recent notifications out there. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.